In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to set up Xfinity Wi-Fi step-by-step using the official Xfinity app. No technician needed, and most setups are done in under 20 minutes. What's in the box? You'll typically find Xfinity Wi-Fi gateway, modem plus router, coaxial cable, power adapter, quick start, or QR code card. Before you begin, place everything near an active cable outlet. Gateway placement matters a lot for Wi-Fi speed and coverage. Step 1. Download the Xfinity app. Search Xfinity in the App Store or Google Play, or scan the QR code from the setup card. Sign in using your Xfinity ID. Step 2. Find the best placement. For the best Wi-Fi signal, place the gateway in an open area. Avoid closets or behind furniture. Keep it a few feet off the floor. Stay away from thick walls and large electronics. Living rooms or home offices usually work best. Step 3. Connect the gateway. Connect the coax cable to the gateway and wall outlet. Make sure the connection is finger tight. Plug in the power adapter. The gateway will power on and be ready to activate in about 5 minutes. Step 4. Activate using the Xfinity app. Tap Get Started in the Xfinity app. Follow the prompts to activate the gateway. Activation usually takes up to 20 minutes. Step 5. Check the gateway lights. Single light gateway. Ready when the light is solid or blinking white. Multiple light gateway. Ready when the top 3 lights are solid. Tap Ready to go. Then check connection in the app. If the outlet isn't active, try another outlet or schedule a technician. Step 6. Name your Wi-Fi and connect devices. Create your Wi-Fi name and password in the app and confirm. Your phone may auto-connect, or you can manually join the network using the new Wi-Fi details. For more details, check the full setup guide linked in the description. You're now online. The Xfinity app lets you manage devices, pause Wi-Fi, enable advanced security, and troubleshoot anytime. If this helped you, drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more no-fluff tech setup guides from Tekzoid.